Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with AffiliateMarketingInformant.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about Digistore24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners in 2021, where I'm going to show you a free $100 per day strategy that you can start doing today. This will be your inside look to knowing exactly how to make money online with Digistore24. This is actually the second video in my killer playlist called Digistore24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If you missed my first video, then go watch that, because it's your complete beginner's guide to Digistore24. I deep dive into Digistore24 to give you a really thorough walkthrough of how Digistore24 works, the easiest way to start making money with Digistore24, and how to correctly set up your account so that you get paid. That's important, right? I also show you my personal tips and tricks for finding good products to promote so that you can increase your chances of making affiliate commission. Then, in the next video after this one, I'm going to show you the top Digistore24 products to promote so you have a chance of making sales because you already know they're selling well. So if this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel below, comment below if you have any questions, save this playlist to your channel, and share it with your friends. And if you want to get up to speed quickly with Digistore24, be sure to grab my Digistore24 cheat sheet below. You'll learn the exact thing that I look for when choosing products to promote on Digistore24 to help me promote only good products and not bad products. And be sure to grab it today, because I'll also include free training to show you how to continuously drive traffic to your Digistore24 offers and any other affiliate offers for that matter, so that you can make sales and help better your future and simply fulfill the dream that matters to you most. Trust me when I say you want this. And you need this if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing today. So, assuming you already have your Digistore24 account set up correctly so you get paid, you chose the easiest way to get started with Digistore24, and you have a good understanding of how to navigate Digistore24. In this Digistore24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners in 2021 video, I'm going to show you a very specific way to make $100 per day using free traffic. This video will cover what product to choose so you have a chance of making $100 per day, different ways to research the product to ensure it's good quality and worth promoting so it's not a waste of your time, a popular affiliate strategy that attracts buyers, and one cool tip to help you be a better affiliate marketer and distinguish yourself from other affiliates. And another really cool tip that shows you an easy and quick and free way to use what's working for other affiliates so you know exactly what to do and avoid all of those beginner questions that stop you from doing it in the first place. I'm going to walk you through the strategy so you know exactly how it works. And be sure to watch this video to the very end. You don't want to miss the helpful tips that I'll be showing you to help speed things up for you and to help you become a successful affiliate. Now, I can't guarantee you'll make any money because I don't control you. I can't make you take the actions you need to see results, but I can show you the way. Step number 1, find a product to promote. For this video, a product that caught my interest is in the Internet Marketing and e-business category, and it's going to be the second highest selling product in this category. It's called the Tube Monetization and Automation Program. So in reviewing this particular product, it has most of the things that I'm looking for. It offers a 50% commission on a product that's for sale for about $257. It has an affiliate support page. And if you look at the numbers, they're okay. They're not fantastic, but you have a cart conversion of 3%, which is kind of low. But if you compare it to the highest selling product in this category, which has a 2% cart conversion and a 12.7% cancellation rate, the numbers are comparable. This product actually has a higher cart conversion rate at 3%. However, the cancellation rate is higher at 23%, so it's almost double. The one thing I like about this particular product is the actual affiliate support page. There are a lot of helpful resources on here for you. So if you scroll down, you actually have a video. You can meet the owner of the product, and they're actually going to show you and tell you the best ways to promote this product. So not only are they going to recommend that you promote to the webinar link, which means you drive people to a webinar where they can actually learn more about the product owner, and also the strategies involved, but they also give you different ways to promote with different types of traffic. So if you look at the best ways to promote category, you'll learn tips and tricks around how to promote with free YouTube traffic. They also give you a bunch of assets to help you promote this, such as ads and branding images. They give you student testimonials and videos that you can actually put on your landing pages, and they give you screenshots that you can embed as well. So if you click on this, this is actually going to open up a Google Doc, and it's got all of these different images that you can use for promoting this product. This is a nice cover image. It has a transparent background, so you can easily overlay it onto whatever page you want, whatever color, etc. You've got different variations of the logo here. You have images of the product owner, and you even have a couple of videos. And you do have a folder here for ads, which has a great promise of being swipe files for your ads, essentially done for you ads that you can take and copy or repurpose in your own way. However, when you do click into these folders, they do not have anything in them. So as of right now, the only thing in this folder is going to be these videos and these images. However, if you look at some of the other affiliate support pages, they don't even offer you this. So back to the product page in Digistore24. The biggest thing you're going to look for here is the earnings per sale, which is about $171. So this means for every sale that you can drive and you can make with your affiliate link, you will earn about $171 of that. And here's what's cool. The easiest way to get up to $100 per day is to sell 4 of these products in a week. Then that nets out to be about $100 per day. Now it is important to make sure that it is a high quality product before you promote it. So overall it has fairly good numbers, but there are a couple things that caught my attention that I'm not too sure about. And this is one of them. So this particular claim here is saying that Buy 9 to 5 is searched over 530,000 times per month with almost no competition. And if you go to the affiliate support page, they're actually going to have a screenshot that actually shows you this image. So here is the image that they're saying and showing you that this particular keyword, which is the product name, get that amount of search volume. However, when you do your own keyword research, you don't see those same amount of numbers. So this is a free keyword tool that you can use called Ubersuggest. And according to this particular tool, the Buy 9 to 5 keyword only gets 140 searches a month. Now it is important to note that every keyword research tool is going to give you different numbers. And there is no such thing as one perfect tool. So to give the keyword a benefit of the doubt, I'm looking at another keyword tool, which is by Google. It's called the Keyword Planner. Once again, it's not perfect either, but it's actually giving me very similar numbers to the tool we just saw. Gets a low amount of average monthly searches, anywhere in between 10 and the 100 mark. So this is going to be lower than what you saw in Ubersuggest, but still in about a ballpark if you want to go with the 100 range. Now it is true that the competition is low. We've noticed that in Ubersuggest, and we've also noticed that here. So that is a true statement. But as of right now, the number of searches a month is not lining up to what they say. So what I would do if I was getting ready to promote this, I would actually reach out to the product owner and ask them what tool this was, when it was taken, so that I know that if this is actually true in recent times or if this is a screenshot that may be 3 to 4 or even 5 years old. And because this has an affiliate support page, you will typically find the owner's contact information down at the bottom. You can actually reach out to him and you can ask him yourself. And any other questions you may have about the product and before you promote the product. But in reading the additional information, it does look good. It shows that there is a lot of training here, over 50 hours worth and 200 videos, with some additional free bonuses on top of that. And of course, you do get access to a private mastermind community, which is typically going to be a Facebook group, and that's pretty standard these days. That shows that anyone who does buy this from you through your link will be able to get support from a community when they need it. So after reviewing it, we've decided it looks like a fairly decent product and we want to promote it as an affiliate. Step number 2, get your affiliate link. You simply click on the blue Promote Now button, and you will instantly see this link here. This is going to be your personal affiliate link, which is going to link all of the leads, sales, and traffic from you so that when someone buys it from your link, you get credit for the sale. Step number 3, create a product review video. Now hear me out. I know what you're thinking. Oh my gosh, I don't want to make a video. I don't want to be on camera. But if you notice, I'm actually making this video not on camera right now. So in the introduction, I was on camera because I wanted you to see me and get to know me and hopefully trust me a little bit. But then I got off camera so that I can really deep dive into this particular strategy so that you focus on what's on your screen and not on me. But you know my voice by now, right? And you can picture me because you've seen me before. So making videos is actually easier than you think. And keep watching because I'm going to show you how it works and how to do it for free. So when it comes to creating a product review video, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you give a really quality review on the product you are reviewing. It is recommended that you buy the product and go through it entirely and really use it so that you know what you're promoting before you actually promote it. A tip is to actually reach out to the product vendor and request review access. Just let him know you want to review his product, but you want to do it the right way and do a quality review of the product, and ask if you can get review access to the product. And in some cases, these product owners will actually give you review access to the product, so you don't have to buy it, but you can still use it. Now keep in mind, this does not work in every scenario, and beginner affiliates do sometimes have a harder time of getting review access because you have no history of sales and you have no reputation of being a good affiliate. But it does not hurt to ask. Now the second step is going to be actually creating the review of the product. So here's another tip. Go to YouTube and search for the product name review. Find a review that has a good amount of views. In this case, this one has 4.4 thousand views. Click on the video, come to the 3 dots here, choose Open Transcript, and copy this transcript and paste it into a program like Google Docs. Now you can actually use his review as an outline to help you build your own review. Now hear me out. I am not saying to copy his script. Please don't do that. That's bad. I'm just showing you an easy way to see how other affiliates position the same product to help you create your own. So be sure to come here and actually make your own. And keep in mind, you can do this for any review, even for reviews that are not about the same topic. I would suggest looking at our reviews on our channel for the Affiliate Marketing Informant. This is Susie, who is also an Affiliate Marketing Informant. And she structures her reviews so well that they actually have pretty good numbers. This video was published a couple weeks ago and already has 122 views, has been watched 11.9 hours, and has gotten us 3 subscribers. So looking at how she structures her reviews will give you a really good baseline of what to do. Step number 4, make your review video. One of the easiest ways to get started making videos is going to be using this product called Screencast-O-Matic. They offer a free account to get you started. Now with the free account, you will have a watermark on your videos. And this particular video was made with the free account and has 312 views. So don't think that just because the video has a watermark logo on it, that it will not get any views. Step number 5, post the review to your YouTube channel. So here's an example of a review I did for the Super Affiliate Intensive. As recommended, I bought the product and I went through all of the training and then I reviewed it. And then in my description, I actually included my affiliate link. And yes, this has generated some leads for me. And another example of this exact strategy is for the Simple Traffic Blueprint. Once again, I bought the product, went through the training, and then reviewed it, and included a way to my affiliate link in the description. Step number 6, repeat the process. As you can see on our channel, we've done this strategy over and over and over again. And you'll have plenty of content videos and review videos on your channel in no time. And there are actually more video types that you can create to continually drive traffic not only to your channel, but to those review videos that have your affiliate links. So every video you create does not have to be a product review and does not need to contain an affiliate link for you to be successful as an affiliate. So hopefully now you actually see how easy that strategy is, how it can be done for free, and how you can pretty much use any affiliate product to get to $100 per day. with enough sales. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Don't forget to check out the next videos in my playlist. I'll definitely leave links to them below. Also, don't forget to grab my Digistore24 cheat sheet where you can print out my tips and tricks for finding good products to promote, so you don't promote bad products and waste your time, and increase your chances of actually making affiliate commissions. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel below, comment below if you have any questions, save this playlist to your channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching!